How to make money with UNISWAP. I'm going to show you how you can easily make money with UNISWAP. UNISWAP allows users to swap tokens and ETH by trading against a pool of assets held in a smart contract. There are no order books on UNISWAP that set the exchange rate. Instead, the rate is based on the ratio of Ether and tokens held in each pool. Fees are collected after every trade, and liquidity providers have immediate access to their earnings. To be a liquidity provider and earn a return, you must provide both sides of the pair. To invest $100 in the ETH and sell pair, it will require $50 worth of ETH and $50 worth of DAI. Your net gains are the trading fees minus the impermanent loss when you withdraw. You make the highest returns when there's high trading volume and low price change between the pair. An additional consideration you're following the crypto money portfolio, you might be denominating your returns in ETH. The bet here is that pool growth from trading fees will outweigh your reduced exposure to ETH. The chart below from Understanding UNISWAP Returns provides a tidy visualization of different growth scenarios on the ETH and DAI pool versus holding Ether. The blue line represents holding ETH. You can see it grows and decreases linearly with price as expected. If ETH increases in price by 50%, you have 150% in value. If it decreases in price by 50%, you have 50% less, and so on. Taking your one ETH and contributing it to the ETH and DAI liquidity pool requires converting 50% of it to DAI. This is an opportunity cost. You're losing upside potential on part of your ETH versus just holding it. There is risk in a peg collapse, and historically, these pools do not generate a great deal in fees. Earning on UNISWAP is a different form of risk and reward than long ETH folks are used to taking. In the short to medium term, it's more a bet that there won't be permanent changes in the price ratio of the pair. In the longer term, it's more a bet on the trading volume of the UNISWAP pool itself. Selecting the right pools, understanding impermanent losses, and measuring your returns are the first steps to making money on UNISWAP. Zap liquidity to UNISWAP. Subscribe to the Bankless program, which is $12 per month.